Small look into it.
It is a method of crop and livestock not using chemicals, antibiotics, or growth hormones. It started in Europe around 1920s. Around the 1940s, J.I. Rodell was declared the founder. It became popular in the late 1960s and 1970s. California has the most organic farms in North America. Some basic principles: maintenance of long-term fertility soil, healthy use and care of water resources, promotes biological diversity of agriculture.
Hybridization
is the crossing of seeds to produce new plants. Organic plants aren't resistant to viruses, but hybrids are. Both types have increased in yields. It contains genetic diversity.
An example is the yellow corn and the white corn. They both cross their seeds and create the sweet butter corn. GMOs.
GMO stands for genetically modified organisms. It is an organism that was injected with genetic material of another one. They are prohibited in organic farms. The animals are not allowed to eat GMO crops either. GMOs can contaminate organic plant and harm them.
An example of GMO is the strawberry on the left on both pictures. It may look juicier and better than the one on the right of each picture, but in reality, the juicy one and the good one is on the right. Why? Because that one's fresh and it's like more product in there than on the left because it's hollow and yeah. How is it related to the environment?
In the 1970s, organic farming had increased because environmental awareness developed. It is one of the farming techniques that helped reduce the greenhouse effect. It also reduces the amount of not only water pollution, but air pollution also, which is a great thing because we don't want to continue harming our earth.
A couple of disadvantages.
It requires a lot more physical labor on the farmers. Since the fruits and vegetables are organic, they are going to be more expensive. It is difficult to identify if seeds have been affected by GMOs. The growing process takes quite a long time. The farmers don't have enough sales, so the production is also slow. A bad thing about the produce is that it doesn't last a long time, meaning they do rot quicker. The reason of this is because they don't contain any preservatives.
But in the bright side,
the crops are much more healthier and they are more packed with nutrients than using another cropping method. There is less risk of diseases in crops and in animals. It is much more cheaper because there is no extra cost for chemicals and products that are not being used. Also, there is a high percentage that the crops are going to be poison-free.
Facts related to humans.
The amount of pesticides in urine will decrease with an organic diet. Studies show that pregnant women consuming conventional food rather than organic food ended up having children with lower IQ levels than their peers. Organic agriculture adapts to weather easier, meaning it can be produced just about anywhere.
Some practices done.
Crop rotation are crops that are rotated so they are followed by different families. Compost and manure is used as soil conditioner. It also helps improve the physical appearance. Interplanting is also used. It is the act of planting two crops together.
Organic fertilizers.
They are more gentle with the crops than chemical fertilizers are. They are also harder to wash off. These are the two most used organic fertilizers in organic agriculture. Starting off with animal manure, it contains elements like nitrogen, and sludge, which is a combination of wastewater and biological mass.